furniture hardware has been an integral part of furniture design for centuries. It is the small, intricate pieces that are added during or after the construction of furniture to give it a polished, finished look. The creation and use of furniture hardware has its roots in the 18th century, a time marked by a thriving furniture industry in England. One of the most prominent furniture designers of that time was Thomas Chippendale. Chippendale is famous for his iconic furniture designs, but his mastery of furniture hardware is equally impressive. In this article, we explore the furniture hardware of Chippendale and how it contributed to the overall beauty and functionality of his furniture. Thomas Chippendale was a renowned English furniture designer who lived during the 18th century. He was born in Otley, England, in 1718 and started his career as a cabinet maker in London. Chippendale quickly gained recognition for his unique designs, which incorporated elaborate carvings, Gothic and Chinese-inspired motifs, and intricate hardware. Chippendale's clientele included aristocrats, nobles, and wealthy merchants who commissioned him to create furniture for their homes. He created a wide range of furniture pieces, including chairs, tables, stools, cabinets, and wardrobes. Chippendale's style was marked by the use of high-quality materials, attention to detail, and exquisite finishes. Hardware furniture refers to the small but essential parts that are added to furniture to give it its finishing touch. Hardware includes hinges, handles, knobs, locks, escutcheons, brackets, and pulls, among others. Furniture hardware is often made of brass, iron, steel, or copper, as these materials are durable and long-lasting. In Chippendale's time, furniture hardware was an essential part of furniture design. The hardware added to the functionality, beauty, and elegance of the furniture. Chippendale was a master of furniture hardware, and he understood how to incorporate it into his design seamlessly. Chippendale was famous for his use of brass hardware on his furniture pieces. Brass was the preferred material for hardware during the 18th century because of its reliability and durability. Chippendale used brass hardware for hinges, handles, knobs, locks, and escutcheons. He chose brass because it was easily moldable, making it suitable for intricately designed hardware. Chippendale's brass hardware was often elaborately designed and incorporated into the furniture's overall style. Chippendale used Gothic, Rococo, and Chinese-inspired motifs in his hardware designs, giving his pieces a unique and luxurious look. He carefully considered the placement of the hardware to ensure that it enhanced the furniture's functionality while also adding to its aesthetics. One of Chippendale's most famous hardware designs is the Chinese Chippendale. The Chinese Chippendale is a lattice-like design that Chippendale used for the backrest of his chairs. The design was created by using intricate brass fretwork that featured curved lines and geometric shapes. Chippendale also incorporated locks, handles and escutcheons into his designs. The locks and handles were often made of brass and designed to match the furniture's overall style. Chippendale often incorporated escutcheons into his designs to protect the keyholes from wear and tear. The escutcheons were often intricately designed with floral or foliate motifs that matched the furniture's other decorative elements. Thomas Chippendale was a master furniture designer who revolutionized the furniture industry during the 18th century. He was known for his intricate designs, exquisite finishes, and magnificent use of hardware. Chippendale's use of brass hardware on his furniture pieces gave them a unique, luxurious appearance and added to their functionality. He carefully considered the placement of the hardware to ensure that it enhanced the furniture's design and functionality while also adding to its aesthetics. Chippendale's expertise in furniture hardware was an integral part of his designs, and his legacy continues to inspire furniture designers to this day.